It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! Oh my goodness, you guys. This is a late night with Bonnie video. I actually was out this evening and I just got home. It's a rainy night. And luckily, I got a package a little while ago, but my mom brought it in. So yay, I have a box of Bath and Body Works to unbox tonight. The $4.95 sale still going on online. I think the stores are all closed. But if you want to get any of the fine fragrance mist, you're going to want to get it tonight. So I'm going to dig into my box. This is a pretty big order, I think. Woo-hoo. Let me dig all this stuff. I just cleaned and now I'm throwing stuff all over the place. Oh yeah, this is a huge order. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have candles in here. I have all kinds of good stuff. Oh, by the way, my other channel, Beauty Geek, look what Avon is doing for fall. This is an owl necklace. This is coming in about a month, maybe 3 weeks a month, but look at how cute this is. I love this. This is my new favorite necklace. I love this owl. I'm a huge fan of owls in the fall. So what do I do first? Do I do body care or candles? I think I'll do a combo. Okay, you ready? Candle number 1. We'll get rid of that. Oh, this is the Cool Mountain Rain. I don't know if I'm going to like this. I got it because it's a little different. This is not for me. It's not bad. It's definitely like, is there eucalyptus in here? Blue cypress. I don't know. This is really, really strong. A lot of people are going to like that one. Don't listen to me on that, because a lot of people are going to like it. Ooh, I got my Everlasting Magic shower gel in here too. Okay, candle number 2. This is from the candle sale. Oh, Pumpkin Bonfire. I don't love these jars though. They're okay. They're a little too literal. I don't know. They're kind of pretty. Now this smells good. I love the lid. The lid is pretty. Okay, that smells good. Okay, Pumpkin Bonfire. Next up is, get rid of this one. This is pretty. Pumpkin carving. This is a lot prettier in person. This kind of looks like the Moonlit Graveyard one. Look at how this is I wish they did all their jars like this. Look at this. There is a real holographic depth to this one. Okay, this jar is beautiful. I wasn't sure if I liked the pumpkin, but this jar is gorgeous. And it's textured. They need to make all their jars like this. This is pumpkin carving. I mean, look at the difference. Come on. I mean, this looks like a Walmart candle. It does. I don't know. It just looks cheesy. Versus this. This looks like a high-end. I'm so mean. I can't believe I said that. It doesn't look high-end. Next up, we have Fall Forest. Actually, this one's a little bit better. I don't mind this one. The bonfire one is just weird. Are you ready? Oh, this is nice. I kind of like Fall Forest. This is Forest Pine Needles, Woodland Moss, and Chilly Fall Air. I would have liked it better if the Chilly Fall Air wasn't in here and there was a little bit of cinnamon. I like a little cinnamon in there. Okay. Next up, let me grab this one. I know this is from the candle sale. What do we have here? We have, Girlfriend. Yay, I didn't have Girlfriend. This one's pretty too. This is the purple wax. This one looks nice. I like Girlfriend with the purple wax. And then we have, oh look, this one has a different container. I don't know why they do the containers, like the box is different. This one, oh, I know why, because this is Everlasting Magic. Okay, oops. I wanted an Everlasting Magic that I didn't burn. I want to keep one of these in my collection. I love this burgundy wax. And I love the lid. So I got one of these just for my collection. I'm so excited. Okay, so now I got body care. I got another Vampire Blood. The bottle is actually purple. You'll see this if you put it out in the sunlight. It's kind of interesting. I finally got my Everlasting Magic shower gel. I just painted my nails, so I'm going to wait to open this. I need scissors because I'm going to wreck my nails. I got to do a review of that. I got the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte in the body cream. Let me smell this. it smells so good this year. I don't know. I'm liking the marshmallow pumpkin latte. I got sweater weather. I can't remember. Sweater weather sometimes doesn't like thrill me. I'm actually kind of liking it this year. I still need to get sweater weather in the mist. I have that coming though. I got the lotion in the leaves, and then I also got vetiver and vanilla. I think I think I smelled this in the store and I wasn't crazy about it. Oh, it's not bad. Maybe it was a different one I smelled. This smelled too bad. I don't know. So that's vetiver and vanilla. So once again, I have a ton of stuff to review. I also got this. This is the car fragrance. Check this out. This is the awesome Skull King, purple skull with the crown. This is really pretty. This is going to go good with the vampire blood. Oh yeah, I think we have girlfriend too. So anyway, well that was an exciting night. I'm so happy I got this haul. This jar is just, I got to get another one of these. This is the jar. This is the jar that I really love. How much is this one? $26.95. I wish Bath & Body Works did all of their jars in like this high-end label. I think we deserve a high-end label for the price. Anyway, I'm excited. With the haul, tomorrow, of course, is Monday. The $4.95 sale will be over tomorrow morning at like 6:30 a.m. So if you want those $4.95, get them now. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.